Go!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here, dressed in camo, got my airsoft gun with me. That's because I'm actually going to be playing airsoft with my brother and a few of his friends. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Watch out!
Why?
She's over here. Same girl. Or actually, it might be a dude.
Down, right down.
Oh, watch out, watch out. He's over here. I have the SWAT van. Guard the little van. Oh, hit!
Run it. It got pinned in here. You can work our way that way. Do that next door. Okay. And then we'll work our way around and up and cover those guys right there. Go. I got you.
Ready?
Go. Oh my God, they're back over here. Good work.
This is exhausting. We were trying to get tired. We were playing capture the flag. We had to get the blue flag up since we're blue armbands. My dad got 3 kills with his hater. It's a revolver.
Let's go. Yeah, it's on. What? Coming over. Right here? Yeah. Did you see him run through? Yeah, he's gonna try and run around the corner. Hey, watch that thing there. Hey, there you go. Yeah, box truck. Oh, hit it! Trent's still alive?
Cameron!
Yeah, Trent! Yeah!
Cameron's still alive. quick shout out to one of my friends, the Box Break guys. Go check them out. Remember to